Ha ha ha. Merry Christmas to me. I have to spend Christmas collecting my maple sap. This is the rainwater. This baggie represents lessons learned, a lesson learned and applied. Possibly correctly, possibly incorrectly, but I don't think there's any leakage. So I think this is all sap. I have my freezer baggies, and I'm not in the mood for this. I tapped my trees a month ago on November 28th, so I wasn't expecting sap because I haven't gotten sap in the last month. I actually did expect sap during this thaw, but I didn't get any yesterday because I'm being a good citizen scientist and I'm checking every day, and so this wasn't here yesterday. But I need to collect it so it doesn't start fermenting. It's not a lot, but I still have to measure it and all that. And I'm gonna take it to a processor, and now a frog has just joined me on this video. Okay, where do I put this? Actually, you can see the sappy. Why am I calling it sappy? It's like you guys are a bunch of kids. The sap is dripping from the tube into the bucket. Okay, that's enough. You get the picture. This is my big tree up there. I've got it 2 taps on this one. Put this back on. I gotta keep these numbered. So I got 10 buckets and they each have to have a number. This is 2A. So this is how much. This is a freezer bag, and I gotta put $2A. Oh shoot, and now it's not working. Oh shiza. So be careful, people. These things don't work. I should have brought my tape. Permanent marker does not work on bags that have dedicated space for writing onto. Okay, it's down on the up and up. I have to go back and get a better numbering system. Okay, so now I'm back. Okay, so this is my second bucket. Tell there's something in it. Well, and don't get dirt. But how about minimize the dirt you get? So now I got rain. Raindrops in my bucket. Okay. Hurry. And as you can see, little bugs get attracted to your sap. So, and I've got water on my lens. I've got to hurry up. And so I'm trying to twist this in a way to minimize buggage, and it's just not happening. And I'm getting dirty fingers from touching things into my bucket. So you have to try to minimize contact on the inside of your bucket, because then you track dirty fingerprints, as you can see, right? Like I touched that, and so now there's dirty fingerprints in there. So it's probably best if you have one person handling dirty stuff and one person handling clean stuff. Hold on, let me make sure I don't. I guess you gotta think, okay, my priorities are the sap that's in my hand. Let's not sacrifice this first and foremost. It's protected, so now I can finagle this again. Is that the right word? Okay. And this bucket is, what is this? This should be 2B. And so, and I'm in a silly Christmas dress. So hold on a second. So now, go 2B, and this is my crappy pen or marker. So you get your next crappy marker. Ah, there we go. 2B. Oh, and you're supposed to write the date. Then you write the date, which is, I'm just gonna put Christ. And now it's raining harder. And when you've just had some mushrooms, you kind of lose your memory. And so I spent 2 seconds putting my rain hat down, and then I lost it. So you mark your baggie. To be Christ. To be Christ. That's how much sap I got in 24 hours. And now it's raining even more. And anyway, you get the gist. I think when I'm inside, I'm going to get the air out of this bag a little bit better. But right now, I'm just trying to get the rainwater out of it. And A, keep it clean. B, keep the rainwater out. C, which looks like the number 3, keep it labeled. So you have to collect these immediately within 24 hours, especially in the 50s, in the 40s, 50s. Yeah, this is going to get bacteria, messing up with the sugars, changing the flavor. So you gotta, if you don't process it right away, you need to freeze it. Yeah, I don't have much daylight left, and there are little buggies in here, but I think, you know, all that's gonna get processed. I mean, it's all gonna get boiled and filtered out. And so, but the key thing is you keep the sugar intact by freezing it immediately. So now it's really starting to rain. So I have 8 more trees to do, and then I'll come at you when I'm done. Maybe I'll find my rain hat, maybe I won't.